Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Absolute alcohol is 99.95% of alcohol. Alcoholic beverages contain alcohol, water, and their congeners. Alcohol is naturally produced when fermented or added to it. Congeners of alcohol are aldehydes, ketones, propyl alcohol, and octyl alcohol. Congeners are not more than 0.5 to 1. Congeners of alcohol have special flavor and they have hangover effect. Proof spirit. Proof spirit indicates the concentration of alcohol in a beverage. Alcohol.
thank you and thank you for watching.